In this procedure, we will be replacing the heat strip on a Furrion air conditioner. The tools required for this procedure are an electric drill, a Phillips bit, and a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the screws attaching the top cover to the air conditioner. Then remove the top cover and front foam cover. After that, remove the freeze sensor from the coil and set aside. Disconnect the heat strip harness from the controller. Now you can remove the screws attaching the heat strip to the coil. Next, replace the heat strip with the new heat strip and install it on the coils. Then connect the heat strip harness to the controller. You can install the freeze sensor back on top of the coil. Next, install the front foam cover inside the air conditioner. Then install the screws attaching the top cover. This completes the heat strip replacement procedure on a Furrion air conditioner.